This tutorial provides an example of how to use the Sensatus Capital Reorganisation APIs to process an exchange offer. An exchange offer is an exchange of one security for another, such as preferred stock for ordinary shares. In this example, we will process the pending Romeo Exchange Offer. As part of the proposed exchange offer, Romeo shareholders will receive 0.1186 shares in Nikola for every Romeo share they own. Using the Reorganisation Add API, set the Reorganisation Types ID to 27 for an exchange offer. Set the record date and the X date to the 12th of October 2022. Please note that this reorganisation is still pending at the time of preparing this video, so the dates and terms may change, and the exchange offer will only happen if Nikola have majority shareholder consent from the Romeo shareholders. Set the new issue ratio to 0.1186 and the old issue ratio to 1. In this example, we will assume fractional holdings in Nikola are returned at a valuation price of $5. Set the fractional value to false to round down fractional holdings, and set the fractional return value to true to return fractional entitlements. Set the new symbol to Nikola, add a description and leave the remaining fields at their default value. Use the returned reorganisation ID should you need to delete it.